I hope they got this hood for Steve. Ah, damn. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Loco. Shit. I should have took the hood when I seen it for Steve. I know my boy JP needed too. But they took the hood. They took the lights. See the grill on the ground? Let's see what else they get. They broke this. They took the switch. Or did they? No, they got the switch out. Maybe they got the motor or something. Steering column still here. I took the radio. I took the cluster. I didn't take the light or anything. I left my dad cat in the car for the truck. I don't think no one touched the Posi. It'd be very tight for me to get under there. I mean, I ain't skinny like Steve and shit. So I had to find a way to jack up this car. And I didn't mention it, man. The tires ain't too bad. I mean, they got a little wear on it. Lights, bumper fillers. I'm still here. I don't know if this little light was out. That lens was there or not. Yeah, I think they took those. Electronic trunk release. Trunk lock release. I left the spotlight. I may just grab it for the hell of it. It's probably less than $10. Steering column still there. I mean, really, they didn't take too much besides the headlights, and then I'm guessing those side markers over there. But yeah, I'm fucking with you, Steve. I'm mad at my work. I got the hood for you. I know Steve needed this for his box, the white one that he LS swapped. So I got your hood for you. Hopefully that thing fit in the back of my truck. My 77 barely fit. So I mean, I might take the steering column. I think I only got 4 more screws in the inside, and then the 1 bolt up here in the engine bay. And I don't know if anything else I may need from this engine. I just had to mess with Steve, tell him I got the hood for him. He come pick that up, or I can make a trip down there, I don't know. Probably option 1. But yeah, we back at the 90 Caprice 9C1. I really wish I can get under there to show you the Posi. Oh, they opened the glove box, so see it over there. Grab my bag just in case. Okay, what we got? I don't see the code I'm looking for. Hold on. So I actually had to look it up real quick. I know it wasn't going crazy. I was actually looking for G80, but the other code for Posi, GU6. So this definitely has a Posi in it. And I remember seeing this jack. I think it's a jack. Yeah, it's a jack. I could possibly jack it up with this thing here. I don't think I see the stick in here. But if I really wanted to, could see if this thing will work. I know people say I like Beamers and other cars. Sometimes has a jack inside of it. So more likely, if I really searched in some of these trunks, I'll probably find a jack. Definitely probably in the truck section. Oh, there we go. Got a jack right here, right behind it. Yep. So yeah, if I really wanted it, actually, I'm not sure if it's really in there. Oh, it's got to be in there. So I can see it a little bit. I don't know if that jack's high enough. Would it lift it already? But this might be a tomorrow thing for the Posi, because it's a bit of work, especially when I gotta find a way to get it off the ground. And you're not allowed jacks. This is your boy Catloco. As always, remember to like, comment, definitely subscribe, share if you want. Peace.